Is Bitcoin going to zero or is it going to 100,000? What's the facts? What do you really need to know right now? Price at the moment, 18,000. Where's it going? Some say zero, some say 100,000. Let's have a look at the positives. Let's have a look at the negatives. Do the negatives first of all. First of all, people are over leveraged. Anything that's over leveraged, you have a higher risk. So you always have to watch out for it. There are projects in the crypto market that are too leveraged. We've still got projects that are too highly leveraged. So you could see a lot more volatility if one of those big projects goes. But listen to this, when the project goes, then you'll see a fall in the crypto market, and that's the time to really go in. Or if you're a long-term investor, then you look at what is the long term. We'll come to that right now. First of all, let's hit more of those negatives. We first of all said leverage counts. It does. Number two, regulations. It's there. It's rumors. Okay, once they regulate, it's actually better. But nevertheless, whilst there's rumors, are they going to do this regulation? They're going to do this. This is going to happen. Then, of course, you get even more volatility. What else? You get manipulation of the market. That needs to be stopped. Again, regulation can help with that. Volatility. The higher the volatility, not everybody's got the stomach for it. And you kind of understand that. You've got money invested. It suddenly goes down. Guess what you want to do? You can't handle the volatility. You get out of it. So the high volatility actually increases the people selling. Prices going down. People want to get out. They don't feel good. They want to get out. Of course, when prices are going up, everybody wants to get in. Okay, so what's good? Well, first of all, you've got digital currencies coming. So just think about it. You can have a digital dollar. So let's go. It could be one of the current ones. It could be USDC, for example, which has done very, very well. It's been there. It's really held on. It's got lots of reserves. So imagine you've got a digital currency and all of a sudden, digital dollar, you can do payments super fast. Then Bitcoin becomes gold-like. In other words, it's something there's a limited amount. You're going to park your money. Perhaps you're going to park your money in the Bitcoin, in the gold-like digital asset. Okay, what else? You've got Ethereum. It's down right now. It's below 1,000. Okay, but lots of projects out there. And as we look at it, it's speculative, and so is whether you go Polygon or Solana. They're good projects. Okay, will they be successful? Well, it's speculation, but you're saying, yes, you've got a digital world. They're likely to be successful. It's perhaps good speculation, but you always should diversify. And diversification means other assets as well. In other words, traditional assets, as well as having an interest and an investment, in my opinion, in the crypto market. Will it go to 100,000? When will it go to 100,000? When's the bottom? Let's do it. First of all, the bottom tends to be when something is a major event. In other words, we've seen Celsius, for example, which suddenly stopped withdrawals. Okay, it's an event. Okay, was it big enough event? Maybe not. So if you get a bigger event, that will be the bottom of the marketplace. What do you need as the bottom of the marketplace? Confidence to start coming in. What do you need at the bottom of the marketplace? You need institutions to be investing. Institutions are not going to invest until there's regulations. So whilst there's a fear of it's going to be regulated, this is going to happen, that's going to happen, actually, once regulations come in and they're clear, then you're actually going to get a pickup in the market because the larger institutions can invest easily and know that they've got some government support, if you like, or some rules in there that they understand, and that of course will make a massive difference. So is it zero? What would it take to go to zero? Well, actually, I think there's some people that are always going to believe in Bitcoin. Personal opinion, it's never going to zero. There's always going to be a demand of some sort. Particular countries, El Salvador suffered. Okay, yeah, but I'll see other countries starting to come in. Maybe not now, but perhaps towards the end of this year. You'll start to see that confidence come back in. The economy has an effect. You know that people are invested in the main are retail investors. So guess what? If they need money, they're pulling money out of their assets to spend money. So you need the economy to recover. You actually need a situation whereby there's not layoffs or rumors of layoffs, but actually the economy to start going again before you actually see the biggest swings that are going to come. Can you look at a chart? I'm not a believer. I know what people say. You can see the chart and then they look at it different. Perhaps some people switch the chart upside down and go, well, there you go, there's the chart. Okay, well, I actually think that it's supply and demand, it's confidence, and I do believe that the financial services industry will, and it has to, produce digital payments. And once you've got that, you're actually going to see crypto really start to fly. Right now, we've got expensive banking, we've got expensive ways perhaps of transferring money across the world. We get to the stage where we're using digital currencies to do that super fast and super effectively. Then guess what? Crypto's back on its way up. So when you invest in, go for the major projects. Okay, don't go for the smaller ones right now. Okay, be selective. Always invest in other asset classes. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video. Positives, negatives, 0, 100,000, it's going to 100,000. Okay, just a question of when. By the end of this year, nope, not for me, 50,000, okay, which would be a big increase. So even that is brave. Do I know? No crystal ball. Okay, just that's what I think as an observer, as a person. I've been in the investment industry for a long period of time. Have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget, hit subscribe, please like, please share the video. Okay, it helps me with that algorithm.